Alright kids, it's the Geometry Hunter here once again, with Alec Gunter as your host. Alright, now today we have something very special in store for you. We have the very elusive, very dangerous, red, black spotted African trapezoid. Now let's get this show on the road, shall we? Now, we walk through the forest here, and we look over this way yonder. You can see a blue sphere, which is a relatively docile shape, and he won't be much danger to us at all. Alright, now, continue onwards, we can see the site of a very large, what looks to be the markings of the red-black spotted African trapezoid. Now, they're up against the trees to show that they are the dominant male, or dominant shape in the area. So let's hope we get to see him today. Now, we walk through here. We saw me step over the carcasses of several rectangular prisms and other varied shapes that had the misfortune of running into a bigger shape. Now, we're moving on here. Oh, here we are. We look here. Grab one of the little buggers. This is a red sphere. Notice as he secretes the acid in his defense manner, trying to ward me off as a potential predator. Now, these one-on-one don't seem like much, but if they get a bunch of them together, these hives can bring down even the biggest shapes. Let's keep on moving here. Time is of the essence. It'll be dark soon, and you know what hunter darks, kids, alright? Triangles. You look here, you can see some dormant rectangles. They have two parallel sides to each other, each 90 degrees. These can be very dangerous if mistreated. So, whenever you see one of these at home, be sure to leave it alone. Alright? And let's keep on moving before we disturb this guy here. Oh, that's his warning signal. That's his warning signal right there, telling us to get away. That this is not our territory. We're just gonna let him be and move on with our journey. Another colony of those red spheres I was talking about earlier. Yeah, if we just move on, let's see how things go. Now, alright, now if we move on here, you can see this wide patch that we're walking on. A very large shape indeed. Had to have created this. Now, I've seen some big trapezoids in my day, but nothing quite like this. Now let's see what we can find. As we move up. Yes, have you seen him there? You see him there? Wow, it's a beaut. Let's get rid of the stick. Might anger him. We want to do that. Now, you want to be very careful when dealing with these shapes. They may only have one side of parallel side. They're four angles combined. Those parallel sides can be very dangerous in the wrong hand. One false move on my part could fail geometry class instantaneously. A very serious cause to not mess with these. But, for the sake of you kids out there, I'm gonna go see if we can get a better picture of them. Alright, now remember, never attempt this at home. It's very dangerous. Ever.
I got him!
Oh, what? Sit in here. Sit in here. Oh my God, he's a fighter. Look at him flexing. Oh, you're okay. You're okay. Look at these beautiful parallel sides here. These four angles that he's got.
Hi, he's a nice one.
What?
He's a nice one.
Yes, he's a nice one. Yeah, here you go. He's just wanting to get away. And we're just gonna let him go over there. Uh-oh, he's turned brown. That's very dangerous. That means he's ready to attack.
Let's get out of here.
Yes, remember, always ask questions. If you have any questions, be sure to ask your attendants so that they can explain everything to you in full detail. it's very good to ask questions. And we would like to specifically ask that you thank our host and our great business partner, Hill Scamp Incorporated, for allowing us this great opportunity to give you this geometry knowledge. Now, wait, hold on a second. All right, let's go. Be sure to join us next week for the Diamondback Triangles. And all you at home, good day.